So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different hairstyles you can wear with short natural hair. I know it's hard to find hairstyles when your hair is short and you can't really manipulate your hair the way you would like, but I thought I might show you guys 5 different hairstyles that you guys can use either going to school, to work, or anywhere that you would love to wear this hairstyle at. Make sure you guys give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I do come out with videos every single week, and I would love to have you guys on my team and be a part of my YouTube channel. So let's get straight into this video. So as you can tell, I just did, this is freshly washed hair. It's still kind of damp. You want to have your hair slightly damp because you want to be able to manipulate it, and when your hair is dry, it really isn't movable. The first hairstyle we're going to do is a half up, half down hairstyle, but with a twist. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a rat tail comb and you're going to part it from ear to ear. Or you can just use your fingers. That's what I normally do. So now that your hair is parted, we're going to part that in 2. I'm going to put some edge control, and this is by Beverly Johnson. I'm just going to use these clear rubber bands to hold my hair in place and pray this works. So now you just want to take your pick and pick your fluff as much as you want. And now we're going to move on to the bottom. And here you're just going to want to fluff and pick as well on the bottom. You know how big you would like the hairstyle. I'm not done. We're going to take some of that edge control and we're just going to put some on the outskirts of our hairline. And this is optional, you don't have to do this. So this is hairstyle number 1. Okay, we're going to move on to the second hairstyle. Okay, so the second hairstyle, you're going to leave the top portion the same, and you're going to part the bottom in 2. So now we're going to work on this one, and you're just going to do the same thing. Pick it out, and then you just want to make sure you clean up the back of your head. This is hairstyle number 2. So we're gonna move on to the third hairstyle. Okay, so we're going to use these elastic bands to tie our hair up. So these are the 2 space curly buns for the third hairstyle. The next one is going to be an updo. So what you're gonna want to do is grab your bang portion. I'm gonna be using one of these. And now we're just gonna take our bangs and we're going to take some bobby pins. So this is a hairstyle that I do wear a lot. It's just simple and it just keeps the stress off the front portion of my hairline. So this is how it looks. So this is the fourth hairstyle. Moving on to the last hairstyle. Alright, so this last hairstyle is going to be a half up, half down hairstyle. And because my hair is too short, I have to bob pin the sides. That's the first one, and now we're gonna do the second one. It's just a 3-pony mohawk, and I wish my hair was longer, but it's not. And this is how it came out. That is the fifth hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy hair videos and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye.